Hi everyone, today I'm going to be making dandelion and lime iced tea. What all goes into the dandelion and lime iced tea? 4 cups of dandelion flowers, rinsed, 6 cups cold water, 1/2 cup hot water, juice of 2 limes, 1 to 1.5 tablespoons sweetener of your choice, and I'm going to be using honey. So let's begin. So take the 1.5 tablespoons of honey or whatever sweetener you would like to use and put it in your container. Take your 1/2 cup of hot water and pour that in and mix until thoroughly mixed. I think honey would be easier to mix than like sugar. And I ended up using 3 limes for the juice because the limes was very small. So add your lime juice and your 6 cups of water. And make sure it is cold water. And unfortunately, I'm only making a half of a batch because I didn't have enough dandelions. They went to seed. And give that a stir. And then add your rinsed dandelions, and you wanted to rinse them to make sure that all the bugs are off of there. And then give that a stir. And put a lid on it. And stick it in the refrigerator and let it chill for 3 to 4 hours. So it has been 4 hours in the refrigerator. We're going to strain out the dandelions because we don't want the dandelions. We just want the infused steeped tea. Now I want to clarify that this is not an actual tea because it does not use tea leaves. It's more on the line of herbal teas, and I'll leave the definition down in the description box below. So there we have the dandelion lime iced tea, and I will throw away the dandelions and clean out the pitcher and then pour it back in there. And wait for Dave to come home. So pick your poison. Here is the dandelion and lime iced tea. Let's see what Dave thinks.
What is this?
Dandelion and lime iced tea.
You're supposed to taste it?
Yes, you're supposed to taste it.
Kind of at a loss for words.
Is that good or bad?
I don't know. It reminds me of something, but I can't. I mean, I know I can taste the lime in there, but it's something else. I can taste it more after than I can while I'm actually drinking it. Well, I don't know that I would request this. It's not bad, but I'm not going, oh boy, I want another. So I don't know.
Is it sweet enough or should it have been sweeter?
It might have needed a little bit more sweetener in it.
I added extra lime, but I didn't add extra sweetener, so I was wondering about that.
Yeah, that may be. And maybe if it was just a tad sweeter, you want to try to put a little bit in here.
I used honey as my sweetener.
I'm gonna put about a teaspoon in there. And that would probably dissolve better when it was warm. Honestly, I don't know how much of the honey dissolved because there's a lot of it still on the spoon since it's cold.
You want sugar?
No, I actually got a little bit's dissolved. I think that helped. It was a little puckery. I know that's not a word, but it was sour, tart with the honey in there. And I'm sure as more of that dissolves, it'll be a little bit better. But it's actually as I put the honey in there and got a little bit stirred into it, I like it a little bit better. I might get another glass. Maybe.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.